In this tutorial, we will create a new agent based on the following scenario. We want to identify students who are falling behind in the course. To do this, we will create an agent that will send an email when a student hasn't logged in for a certain period of time and achieves a failing grade on a particular grade item. This notification will be sent to both the student and the instructor. Agent action defines what happens when the agent criteria is met. By default, action repetition is set to take action only the first time the agent criteria are satisfied for a user. However, you do have the option of take action every time the agent is evaluated and the agent's criteria are satisfied for a user. For our scenario, we want the first option. The agent's action schedule determines how frequently the learning environment evaluates the agent's criteria and how often the agent takes action for users who satisfy its criteria. If no action schedule is defined for the agent, you must manually run the agent to evaluate its criteria and initiate the associated action. Select how often you want to repeat this action: daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. Now enter the repeat option. By entering 2, the schedule will run every second week. Now select the day of the week you want the agent to run, and you can set a start or end date. If you choose not to use the schedule, you can deselect the option. You can still run your agent manually, and your configuration will still remain, making it easy to activate it again at a later time. Important note: the agent will only run while the course is active. Once a course is changed to inactive, the agent will not run regardless of the schedule settings. By default, the email format is set to HTML. By using HTML, you can add formatting and visual interest to your message. However, you may choose to use plain text, as some recipients may have their email configured to reject messages containing HTML. When using the to, CC, or BCC fields, you can type your email address, select from the address book, or use special email addresses. Using replace strings, you can send this message to the initiating user who performs the actions necessary to satisfy the agent's criteria. Or you can send this to the initiating user's auditor. Highlight the replace string you want to use. Copy the replace string. Select the field you want to add the replace string to, and paste. For the purpose of this scenario, I want to BCC this message to the instructor. In the email subject, there are additional replace strings you can use. These replace strings allow you to personalize your message. As a best practice, we recommend that you insert the course name or org unit name into the subject line, enabling quick identification of the course and the message is related to. I can now paste my replace string in the subject line and finish customizing my subject. Now you can enter the agent message. I've pasted my message and can personalize it. In the editor, there is an icon that appears only for intelligent agents called Insert Replace String. This allows you to insert replace strings by simply clicking on the link. Continue editing your message. Review your agent, and when you are ready, save. Click Agent List to return to the full list of agents. And here we see our newly created agent.